years from now. But your children and their children will be proud to say, my father, my mother, my grandmother, grandfather was there standing at the ground when they held the first Zime Olympics. And we are making history. You and I standing here, you will remember and you will have a story to tell with pride and joy and happiness many years down the line. Haimna leizabam lesudu wangaizbam mana sangana misui is aning tora hangzegna haimna misui is aiga no sapkaizbam zegna milong gut satawai glaze haimna klum gale and anui aiga wangaizbam ba. One point I would like to emphasize here is there are some people and our dignitaries, and we go former CM Padage Rambologa, Nangui Zime Olympic Association, we heard that you're going to organize Zime Olympics, such a big event, and we have not seen anybody asking donation from politicians or officers or anybody. How are you going to do it? Miramna Rangle. In order to make a difference, we would like to start a new trend that we shall not ask for donation. Until today, I proudly stand here to say that we have not asked even 1 rupee from anybody till today. But everybody, thousands of people have come forward, and now we have money more than enough to organize this Olympic. This is the grace of God, and we are setting a new trend. I am another Tokyo. And you and I, all of us, when you are still young and healthy, and when you are able to play, holding the flag high, wearing your uniform, standing here with pride, let us remember that you are a blessed generation. Our predecessors, they would have loved to see this. And those who are standing here, or elders, program organized, all of us are here. Let us remember that you and I are in a blessed generation. How it all started, and for the sake of our dignitaries and invitees here, Zime Olympics, it started with few people sitting together, having red tea, sipping hot red tea together. How do we bring our people together? Ning Bamloga, we started way back in 2018. And we have Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Lumba, Delhi, Bangalore, Bombay, other countries in the world. Like meaning religion based Pagora Chamdi, social based Assam, Manipur, Nagaland go boundary Chamdi. So sports can't have the only way to bring our people together. Ningaluza. So we put up on 25th November 2018, Facebook Zime Group Facebook. Shall we organize a sports event for our people? We put up on Facebook 25th November 2018. And everybody came forward with lots of ideas and suggestions that yes, we should do it. We should go ahead. Okay, fine. Shall we have a small meeting? On 15th December 2018, we had a small meeting in Delhi, all our people. Because Delhi is a place where our people from Assam, Manipur, Nagaland can come together easily, those who are staying there. And we had a small meeting in Delhi. Okay, let's go ahead. 15th December 2018. Then we decided to have a meeting, consultative meeting here at Jaluke. On 16th March 2019, we had a meeting with our apex bodies like Zime Council Assam Manipur Nagaland, Zime Council Assam Manipur Nagaland Unit, Zime Students Union Assam Manipur Nagaland, and our intellectuals, some of them. We came together on 16th March 2019 here at Jaluke Town Local Baptist Church, Sipau Maigana, and we decided to Babam Jaluke, Wankanay invite we decided, and we started the journey. Until today, it has been so good and so great because of cooperations from all the people, let's say, around the world. Nang noy sang man ning le bui the logo pagu logo zai motto zo go meaning me ka it's written on your flag and here on the banner. With lots of thinking we put these things together to make our logo. Red star in the middle or 3 rings. Let me start. Ring green, red and blue. Green signifies life and happiness, prosperity for our people. Red represents passion and desire to struggle and to do and try and strive for the best. Blue signifies calm and peace for our people. When these 3 things are together, these 3 rings are not put separately, they're interlaced. That means Haimana ring Katsum, that also represent Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Katsum, state Katsum Yan Lungba, Guangaro Gaitazai. Then the red star in the middle. Only when we come together with unity, the red star represents the highest that we can achieve. And the color red is also chosen with a purpose that red represents the passion and desire to strive the highest when we come together. That is our logo. Motto, anigo motto again, arise and win. Why? Because our people, we're scattered in different places, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Bamzai. Let us be honest. In most of the places, backward, Anuitel Bui, Zema, backward tribe, Tel Bui, community Tel Bui. That is why, let us arise, Sukle, let us arise. And standing up is not enough. Let us arise and inculcate the attitude of winning in everything we do. Not only in sports, but in everything we do. Arise, let us arise, and let us start winning in every field, so that our people will also not lag behind, but we shall also be at par with others and start winning in everything we do. Aiza anuigo motto dele. So my gong is bambalena, nanoi haimena. Players ma contingents ma, I get audience ma kabamba, nanoi haimena. Participating alone is not enough. We should try to win. And winning alone is not enough. You go back with memories. And Anugu monolith, we have also explained in the morning. Anugu monolith, 3 sides. Bamza, that represents, that is 106 participating contingents. Your names are written there. And the height of the monolith is 106 inches. That also represents 106 participating villages. And 3 sides that will also represent Assam, Manipur and Nagaland. And that stands on the round platform. Round platform. It represents round. It represents unity and oneness. There is no end to it. And that also stands on the 4 steps. That means Zeme Olympics will come again after every 4 years. And that is possible only when we have unity amongst ourselves. So may God bless all of you. May this be a great event, and we shall all remember together in the days to come. And as I conclude, let me introduce some of the people who are making this program successful. And we go game coordinators, Madung, Zaina ZOE officials, Madung. As I call out their name, I request all of you to come here. And we go Vice President Antel Kumben Riame, Secretary Kai Putlang, Joint Secretary Kiloigum Joseph, Treasurer Dr. Anol Neume, Finance Secretary Hainebe Neume, Public and Relation Azai Tau, Kining Kamben Riame, Ramko Bambang Game, Inrei Namrei, Anugu, Game Coordinators Madung, Football Coordinators Ndazeng Hingle, Haram Gyapame, Kahung Bubu Hagui, Kusi Haikube, Volleyball Coordinators, Hertolong James Howe, Imzui Hingle, Kirangba, Ken, the Naga Wrestling Coordinators, Amos Pame, Kehepe Sefe, High Jump, Akam Pame, Long Jump Coordinators, Rampawin Dang, Marathon, Asungba and Howe, 100-meter race, I. James Palmer, traditional fire making, Aditi Haihing, shot put, Azwak Ihelung, Battle of Horns, Indre Namre, the Julex Kulim, bamboo steel race, Ramko Bamgame, Abui Palmer, women's coordinator, volleyball Hongaule Hegel, Pinky La Palmer, 100-meter race Puitu Zeliang, high jump, Holly Neme, long jump, Abola Zanma, marathon, Kisui Ihelung, Battle of Horn, Apel Zeliang. These are the people who have been working since the beginning of this year 2019, and we are here today in front of you, and they have been working really hard to make this program a grand success. Hi Mina, shall we give them a big round of applause to them? Thank you so much. Thank you.